Okay, I will start here, but sorry. I did my master degree in the Department of Post-Harvest in Volcani Institute, and I was focused in fruit loss, mainly in banana. So my research was made, sorry, it's not the ones that I wanted to share. Okay, this the main the problem of I was focused is because 45% of the fruit and vegetables in all over the world is lost, mainly for different reasons, and during the agriculture, the distribution, consumption, post-harvest, and processing. Similar study was made in my department in Volcani Institute, and they realized that the banana is one of the fruit that we are losing most during the post-harvest stage. So my research was focused on that. This is the normal practices that like banana when it's harvest, they travel from the field to the supermarkets in a green stage, and then they apply ethylene, that is a hormone to help ripening, and then on the shelves the banana start to ripe, to be yellow. I have a lot of questions to start in my research, so I was focusing mainly to identify if maybe if I package the banana in if I use the packaging on the banana, I test 3 different bags. They mainly have different pores, different holes, size of the holes, to test the oxygen, the respiration rate of each package. And also I was testing how the coal is working on the banana, even if we apply first ethylene and then cold, or if we apply first cold and then ethylene. And also I made a test applying MCP, that is a gas and antagonist to ethylene. So my main result was that actually all the treatments that I applied were better than the control, that only to apply ethylene, of course, and the best treatment was applying first ethylene and then to keep it cold. In the study of the cold, and when I study the 3 different packages of the bag packages, the main result was to utilize rope. Is a kind of bag that it has the most small holes on the plastic bag, and here I measure firmness after 4 days and after 8 days. And also we can see clearly here in the picture that the best treatment was first applying ethylene and then to keep the banana in rope, is a kind of plastic bag. Also when I measure chlorophyll content to keep the banana green, I figure out that it's not the same results that we got with the firmness. So it's not the processing of the ripening in the banana is very complicated, and it has different stages. And here I realized that it's not the same. Rope is still being better. To keep the banana in rope, in this kind of plastic, is better on all of the treatments, and also cold, and it's keeping the banana greener and firmness. Then I did a study on cold applications, different cold applications, because we all know that the cold, if we keep the banana in the fridge, the banana is becoming dark, and it's because the lipid oxidation of the tissue, the membrane tissue. And I did other research to only find out which is the best temperature to keep the banana on that. And this is my research.